Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. In today's video I will be sharing my potato salad recipe. If you're new here, I'm Kayi and I share easy, quick and very delicious recipes on this channel. For today's recipe we're going to need 2 big potatoes. These are polished potatoes and 2 eggs. What I'm going to do now is to bring this to a boil, and after that I will cut it. So it's time to cover the pot up. And after 40 minutes our potatoes and eggs are ready. For fresh ingredients we're going to use half of the orange pepper, red and green pepper. We're going to use some tomatoes, half medium cucumber. We're going to also add some sweet corn and a little bit of black pepper and salt. Once the potato had cooled down, I'm going to peel it up and cut it. And same with all my fresh ingredients and the egg as well. I will be adding those too. And once you cut everything, you don't have to use all these fresh ingredients exactly the same I'm using. You can add your own as well, but in this case these are the ones that I want to use. So after preparing all these ingredients, I'm going to start adding mayonnaise. So I will be using roughly like 4 tablespoons, but it all depends as well on you. So I'm going in with the cucumber as you can see, and I will be adding the peppers as well. To all my returning subscribers, thanks so much for coming back. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you love potato salad. How do you make yours? Me today I feel like making mine exactly like this, but always remember, it's your kitchen, your rule. Have fun with your cooking. After going in with all the other ingredients, I will be adding the salt and a little bit of black pepper. I'm going in now with about a tablespoon of olive oil. And once you add all your ingredients, you can go in with the very last one, which is going to be the mayonnaise. Okay, and then mix everything properly. If you're new here and you don't want to miss out on my easy, quick and very yummy recipes, kindly subscribe and make sure you activate the bell so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. And if you're enjoying the recipe so far, kindly give this video a thumbs up and keep watching. I'm going in now with the spring onions and our potato salad will be ready. There you have it. Very creamy, delicious, so inviting. All you need to do now is to grab a fork and join me. You know how much I love your comments, so keep them coming. If you loved today's video, I want to hear from you in the comment section. It's time to dig in now, and you guys are invited. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye. Au revoir.